Today, let's have a reading practice using household chores.
Clean out the closet. Let's read it again. Clean out the closet. Mop the floor. Let's read it again. Mop the floor. Wash the dishes. Let's read it again. Wash the dishes. Make a bed. Let's read it again. Make a bed. Sweep the floor. Let's read it again. Sweep the floor. Set the table. Let's read it again. Set the table. Do this shopping. Let's read it again. Do the shopping. Iron the clothes. Let's read it again. Iron the clothes. Water the plants. Let's read it again. Water the plants. Vacuum the floor. Let's read it again. Vacuum the floor. Do the laundry. Let's read it again. Do the laundry. Wash the car. Let's read it again. Wash the car. Take out the trash. Let's read it again. Take out the trash. Wash the window. Let's read it again. Wash the window. Cook the meals. Let's read it again. Cook the meals. Dust the furniture. Let's read it again. Dust the furniture. Clean the toilet. Let's read it again. Clean the toilet. Fold the clothes. Let's read it again. Fold the clothes. Cut the grass. Let's read it again. Cut the grass. Feed the cat. Let's read it again. Feed the cat. Rake the leaves. Let's read it again. Rake the leaves. Wash the dog. Let's read it again. Wash the dog. Do the gardening. Let's read it again. Do the gardening. Do the gardening. Paint the walls. Let's read it again. Paint the walls. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.